Bomb Rain 2, devlog number 2. As you see, this is the new map and brand new UI changes with new bombs, including Stud Bomb, explode 3 times. New skill, Heal. It's spammable because it's for testing purposes because the game is already hard enough. And also double jumps. You can double jump. Also, I changed the bomb to summon a stud bomb instead. So, yeah. And also there's lava now, so you can swim in it. I guess it needs stupidly buggy. Like that. Oh, and new status effects on your character. And some new terrain effects like burning. It's just a red part with neon. And ice. Those ones with slippery physics, but they don't have one. So yeah, that's it. Bye!